Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Robert Thato Mashope, the founder of Mashindu Proprietary Limited, Tiro Kakijo. 7 of the top performing economies in the world are in Africa, and South Africa is not one of them. Why is that? Mashindu is an Afro-focused research, training, and advisory consultancy with special focus in the informal economy. The African informal economy is estimated to be worth 8 trillion rand. South Africa's share of that is shrinking. Why is that? Our research aims to find out such things. What problems are we solving? We are offering a research, training, and consultancy service to bridge the information divide which is prevalent on the African continent. Our unique selling point is we specialize in doing research in the informal economy, and we are also Afrocentrically multilingual. What is our story? South Africans must stop thinking about research as an academic exercise. In the information age, you need to do your own research and think independently. What's our business model? Well, predominantly, we do feasibility studies and business studies for corporates and for development finance institutions. We specialize also by doing the following: community economic literacy, community financial literacy, community digital literacy, community skills audit, collective knowledge mapping and digitization, and community enterprise development. Our translation services and our bridging digital divide services are also on par with the best. Our key staff are myself, the CEO, Managing Director, Robert Thato Mashope, and my great sister, Dr. B.K. Mashope, who is the Chief of Operations and the Chief Scientist. We are a brother and sister team. To contact us, you can go to our Mashindu Facebook page, or you can contact me on mashindu@protonmail.com. You can also contact me via mobile on 071-541-2758. My name is Robert Thato Mashope, and I'm a township entrepreneur.